Hey all, welcome back to DiaBeautyBlossom. I hope you all are doing great. And today I just got some time. I have not been filming for a long time since I'm here in Germany, so I just thought I'll film. I have actually been shopping a couple of things, in between couple of weeks. It's not like certain specific stores or something. So I've been to Hauptbahnhof, which is the main station in Stuttgart, and into a store which is called Galeria. So I had like perfumes, different kind of perfumes, makeup, cosmetics, which are high-end, and also they had different handbags, high-end, normal, and then you have loads of stationery for kids and toys. And also I actually picked a few things for my family, for gifts when I'm back in India. So I'll just show you randomly stuff what I've got. And I really love the stationery out there. It's really nice, and you have cool stuff. And so the first thing I've got is this Miss Melody glitter roller. So you have like five gel pens. You have different colors of glitter pens, and you can actually use it to color something, or if you're drawing, or if you want a glitter kind of thing. They're really nice. I really like this. So I've got it for my niece actually. So this is the first one I've bought there. And then I've got their top model, I think, pencils which I've got. So I'm not sure if it's, yeah, so these are 3 pencils with the eraser. It's really nice. I like the pictures on these. I thought they'll actually like these, the girls. So I have 2 nieces. The elder one is in 9th standard and the younger one is in 7th standard. So I thought they'll like these, pencils. I thought the younger one is like more like me. She likes all this stationery stuff. So this is the one. And then I really love this one. This is so cute. You can see this is like the top model lip glosses, the tiny lip gloss for children, I guess. And you can actually open this, and you have these tiny so you have these tiny lip glosses. It's really cute, and it actually came like this. So I've got this one for them. And then I've got this book. It's really nice. It's like a table. You can put it on your table or workplace where you want to write something important or something like that. So you actually have this, and then a pencil. You have these papers. So you have a couple of papers. I really like this one. I've got this comb which says actually perfumed comb. You can sniff it here. So it's a woof comb, something fragranced comb. So cute and girly. So I thought the girls might like it. I actually love these kind of things. And then I've got this cute little eraser. So it looks like a lipstick, but it's not. I don't want to open it, so let them open it. So this is, it looks like this, but inside it you have this eraser. Got this ball. It's actually I think a beach ball, the Trolls one. This I actually got it for my doggy. It's Jimmy. I love her so much. I miss her so much. Jimmy loves to play with balls or soft toys. So I was thinking what to get to her, but when I saw this, I really liked it. The trolls on all over it, so it's really nice. So I got this for her. I got this Disney Violetta book for myself. I really love this. I love books. So this is how it is. I know this should be best thing for my niece, but I thought I have to keep it for myself because I really like it, and I'll write something very interesting or some good memories. I love these kind of books. I have loads of in my collection, and my sisters, whenever they go out, they find these kind of books or different, designed pattern books, or like this. They actually get that for me. Got this pen eraser. This is actually, you just have to push it, and then you get this eraser. It's so cute, right? And you can push it back. Yeah. So this is the pen eraser I've got for them. And then you have this little pen which actually lights. You can, when you rotate this, you get the pen, you can write it. And if you... It's nice. Oh, it lights different colors. Let's stop it. So I've got 2 for them. This for myself. This is the, you can actually fill, what do you say, it's coloring book. This is actually coloring book. If you can use, when you're stressed, you want to relax yourself, you can color it and all. So it was actually in a great deal. It was €8, but I've got it for 99 cents. There was an offer, so I got this one. Then I've got two toys for my nephew, my husband's sister's son. So I've got this. He loves the, what do you say, cars, motorbikes, all boys like that, I guess. So I've got this. Is actually, have sound, so when you click it, it sounds, and then you can open it. So this is the first toy I got. And then I got something again. This is the second one. It also has some light, and it sounds. So I want to buy a big car, but because of the luggage, and I can't carry all that, so I have to buy this. This is what I've bought in Galleria Mall. And also I bought one wallet for my husband. That's a price. So I've got a fossil wallet. Let me show you. I thought I'll buy this fossil wallet for him. I really love that. Actually, I've got a couple of watches from here. He loves watches, goggles, and all this brand stuff. But I thought I'll not buy a watch because you already have many. So I want to invest on a good wallet. So I bought this for him. So that's all what I've got in the Galleria Mall. I will be filming multiple videos or posting multiple videos on different parts. Like, I have actually bought some makeup and skincare. So I want to show it in a different video. So I'll be filming that soon. And also with the drugstore and, high-end makeup which I've bought from here, which I've got good deals. So I'll be showing that in my next video. So stay tuned, and thanks all for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to comment down. Thanks all. Have a great day. Bye bye.